Hello friends, I have a machine where I have set up Multilib. It's running Slackware 15, and now I have another one where I still didn't install Multilib, and I wanted to do it and record it and share it with you. So the best way to install is to run these commands. So far uh, these commands need to be run as root. Since there is this hashtag, it helps or it determines which type of user is used here. So we switch to root. Here I am on my Slackware machine on this terminal emulator. I guess we should install Wine first, maybe. Why I want to install Wine on my Slackware machine? It's because one of the things that differs here before and after the installation of Multilib is Wine. Before it, you will not have Wine 32. When you run Wine without 64, it says command not found. You can only run Wine 64 if you installed Wine without Multilib. If you install Multilib and Wine, you will get Wine, which is for 32 bits, and Wine 64 for 64 bits. Let me install Wine first to prove what I'm saying here. So to install Wine, we should scroll down until we find the version of our Slackware system, and we should download one of these two ones. I'm gonna go with 9.13. I'm still not sure of the versions, which is which. So it says that the stable one is 10.0 and the development one is 10.14. So our choice should definitely be this one from this repository. Yeah, this one. Let's go to our home directory and run this, which will download the package. Our package is ready for installation. We simply install it by running this command. We can type tab, which will autocomplete for us. Okay, so clear before we prove that only Wine 64 is installed. Okay, this doesn't prove what I said. Let's try with this. Here we declare a variable, call it Slackware, and we give it 15.0. If the version is different, you simply type your own. In case in the future it's different, it will definitely be. Make a directory called Multilib. We change directory into wait, and we download a bunch of packages using the command lftp from slackware.nl. The link is in the wiki, which you may find in the description. This may take some time. My packages have been downloaded. If you saw any difference in the terminal emulator, it's because I had to stop the download since I started doing it very late at night. Then I had to do it again. Mostly the packages will be overwritten if I'm not mistaken. So it's time to go to the next step, which should be which should be by changing directory to the version of Slackware like this, and install the packages by running this command like this. And now we run this command. Of course, this is after running this command. Clearing the screen may be good here. Paste here, enter. This command is done executing. Let's see again with wine if there is any indication of Multilib. There is nothing. In case this method didn't work with you, you may need to use Slackware installation media. There is in the DVD the packages and stuff. You can follow the steps here. There is also a package called, let me find it, I guess it's Compat32 or something. Compat32 pkg or package. This one, when I look at it, it sounds like it's still experimental. That's why I purposely avoided using it. You may need to try it. There is also a way to do this process using Slack Package Plus or Slack PKG Plus. I had some problems with the repositories of this piece of software. They are somehow offline, down. I may need to there is probably an alternative way to restore or to connect to the repositories. I mean alternative servers, maybe mirrors, where we can use Slack Package Plus. We may need to see how to use it. I mean installing Multilib through Slack Package Plus. I guess that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and peace.